Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure your iPhone 13 is unlocked and awake. Once ready, tap Settings, then Cellular to get to the network controls. You do this now because the 5G controls live inside cellular data options. If your carrier restricts 5G, the option might look different, so check that first. Now tap Cellular Data Options. This is the first actionable step that puts you directly where you change network type and related preferences. Once inside Cellular Data Options, tap Voice and Data to reveal available radio modes. You will see 5G on, 5G auto, and LTE. Select LTE or 4G to disable 5G entirely. Choosing LTE forces the phone onto 4G networks, which reduces battery drain and prevents automatic 5G handoffs. Make sure to confirm the change. There is usually no extra save button. If you need occasional 5G, pick 5G auto. Otherwise, LTE keeps you off 5G consistently. To finish, exit settings and check the status bar for LTE or 4G to confirm 5G is off. If the indicator still shows 5G, restart the iPhone to force a network refresh. That usually resolves lingering connections. Make sure your carrier plan and region actually support the desired modes. If options are missing or grayed out, contact your carrier for provisioning help. If problems persist, toggling airplane mode on and off can force a reconnection and show the applied LTE.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.